Horizontal and vertical constraints. We have constraints which allow our geometry to have some actual geometric conditions such as horizontal. If I go up and click on this and I select the line, it will select this line to be the nearest either to the horizontal or vertical, whatever it's closest to. In this case, it's horizontal. You see it put in the horizontal icon in here for the constraint. If I come down to this one, it'll switch it to vertical because it's the closest alignment to that. Now these will always be considered horizontal or vertical. No matter how we alter our sketch, they're going to be constantly horizontal or constantly vertical.